Did you know that nearly 22% of engine failures happen because people skip or mess up a simple oil change? Here's the kicker. More than half of drivers either skip their oil changes entirely or do them wrong. The worst part? Most don't even realize they're making these expensive mistakes. That's where I come in. Today I'll walk you through the 11 biggest oil change mistakes and show you how to avoid them. 11. Double gasket. The double gasket mistake happens when the old O-ring from the previous oil filter sticks to the engine block. If unnoticed and a new filter is installed on top, two gaskets end up stacked together. This prevents a proper seal and often leads to serious oil leaks as soon as the engine starts. Rapid oil loss can leave your engine running dry, one of the quickest ways to cause severe damage. To prevent this, always inspect the filter housing after removal and confirm the old O-ring is gone. A quick check can save you thousands in costly repairs. 10. Oil filler, cap, not removed before draining. One common mistake during an oil change is forgetting to remove the oil filler cap before draining. Keeping the cap on creates suction, which slows drainage and traps old oil inside the engine. That leftover oil carries sludge, dirt, and contaminants that mix with the new oil, reducing its ability to lubricate and protect. The fix is simple. Always remove the filler cap first. This lets air flow in, ensures smoother drainage, and gives your engine a cleaner oil change with longer-lasting protection. Small step, big impact. 9. Draining oil. When the engine is cold. Draining oil from a cold engine is a common DIY error that leaves behind dirty oil. Cold oil is thicker and flows poorly, meaning contaminants stay trapped inside instead of draining out. When mixed with fresh oil, this reduces lubrication and engine protection. The Society of Automotive Engineers notes that oil viscosity changes with temperature, so draining cold oil is always less effective. The solution is simple. Warm up the engine for about 5 minutes before changing the oil. This thins the oil, helps it drain more completely, and ensures your engine gets a cleaner, longer-lasting oil change. 8. Overfilling the oil. Many people think adding extra oil is safer, but overfilling can seriously damage your engine. Too much oil causes aeration, where the crankshaft whips oil into foam. This foamy oil can't lubricate properly, leaving metal parts grinding together. Excess oil also builds pressure, which can damage seals and gaskets, leading to costly leaks. In severe cases, it may even cause engine failure. The solution is to add oil slowly, checking the dipstick often to stay within the recommended range. With oil, precision is key. Too much can be just as harmful as too little. 7. Skipping the final oil check after running the engine. A common mistake after an oil change is forgetting to run the engine and recheck the oil level. Fresh oil needs to circulate through the engine and fill the new filter, which often causes the level to drop slightly. If you skip this step, you could be driving with less oil than you think, leaving critical parts under-lubricated. The solution is quick and easy. Once you've added oil, start the engine and let it run for a couple of minutes. Shut it off, wait a minute, then use the dipstick to check the level again. Wipe, reinsert, and confirm. This 5-minute habit ensures full protection and prevents costly engine wear. 6. Skipping the oil change interval. Engine oil doesn't last forever. Over time, it breaks down, loses viscosity, and becomes contaminated with dirt, fuel, and moisture. Skipping or delaying oil changes can cause sludge buildup, overheating, and poor lubrication, all of which shorten engine life. Regular oil changes, however, can extend your engine's lifespan by up to 50%. The mistake many drivers make is only following mileage recommendations while ignoring driving conditions. Short trips under 5 miles prevent oil from heating fully, allowing moisture to build up. Stop-and-go traffic, heavy loads, or towing also break oil down faster. The fix is simple. Follow both manufacturer guidelines and your habits. Set reminders and stick to your schedule. It's the cheapest insurance against costly repairs. 5. Not filling the new oil filter before installation. Most car owners don't realize that an oil filter can hold nearly a quart of oil. Installing it completely dry creates what's known as a dry start. When you first turn the key, the filter has to fill up before oil circulates through the engine. During those few seconds, your moving parts are running without proper lubrication, which can increase startup wear by nearly 50%. Over time, repeated dry starts shorten engine life and accelerate damage. The fix is simple. Whenever possible, pre-fill your oil filter with clean oil before installing it. Not all filters are designed for this, but if yours allows it, this small step helps build oil pressure faster and ensures your engine gets instant protection. 4. Forgetting to lube the oil filter. O-ring. The rubber O-ring on your oil filter is small but vital. It's what creates the tight, leak-free seal that keeps oil where it belongs. If you install the filter dry, that rubber can snag, tear, or fail to seat properly. The result is often an oil leak, which can quickly drain your engine and lead to severe damage. This simple 30-second step prevents leaks, ensures a proper seal, and makes future removal far easier. 3. Over-tightening the drain pan, bolt. Many DIYers believe the tighter the drain bolt, the better the seal, but over-tightening can do serious damage. Applying too much force can strip the oil pan threads, or even crack the pan itself, which may cost over $1,000 to repair. The truth is, the drain bolt only needs to be snug enough to prevent leaks, not cranked down like a lug nut. The safest method is to use a torque wrench and follow the manufacturer's specs. 2. Over-tightening the oil filter. One of the most common oil change mistakes is over-tightening the oil filter. Many DIYers think that the tighter it is, the better the seal will be. But in reality, cranking down too hard can crush the rubber O-ring, cause leaks, or even crack the filter housing. It also makes the filter nearly impossible to remove at the next oil change, often requiring special tools or brute force. Worse, over-tightening doesn't actually improve sealing. It does the opposite by deforming the parts. The best method is to hand tighten the filter until it's snug, and then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn. No wrenches or excessive force needed. Manufacturers specifically design oil filters to seal with this method. By resisting the urge to over-tighten, you'll prevent leaks, save yourself headaches at the next change, and extend the life of both your filter and your engine. 1. Not changing the oil filter. Skipping the oil filter. Replacement can undo the benefits of a fresh oil change. The filter acts like your engine's kidney, trapping dirt, debris, and metal shavings that would otherwise cause wear. An old, clogged filter can't do its job, so contaminants flow straight into your new oil, reducing lubrication and leading to sludge buildup. This increases friction, raises operating temperatures, and puts extra stress on your engine. Considering how inexpensive filters are, skipping one makes no sense. The rule is simple. Every oil change should include a new filter. It's a small investment that prevents big repair bills. And there you have it. 11 costly oil change mistakes that can ruin your engine fast. Avoiding these simple errors will save you money, time, and major repair headaches.